Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please subscribe. That's the only way that you are going to get notified when we post new content. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. Please like this video. You do not lose anything, but you help to keep me motivated to make more videos, share more content, all for free. By the way, if you're looking to download forex systems, forex robots, forex strategies, indicators, books and stuff like that, all for free, there are links in the description box below. Visit those blogs and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Sometimes people come and request things that are already on the blogs. Don't be that person. Go through the blogs and see if you cannot find what you're looking for. Then if you still cannot find what you're looking for, you can always come back and leave a request in the comment section below, and I promise to certainly make an effort to find the thing for you. After downloading the forex systems, robots, indicators, certainly you want to test them in real market conditions before giving them all your hard-earned cash. The links are in the description box below. For the broker that I use, you can actually deposit $5, $10 into your account just to test the robot, just to test the indicator or the system to see if it makes money before you actually go all in. So visit the broker that I use and open an account. You don't lose anything. It's just a $5 account, a $10 account. If you are struggling with anything concerning your forex trading, if you have questions, if you have challenges, if you have topics that you want me to make videos on, leave them in the comment section below and I'll certainly make a video on your question. I've been there, and I wish when I started I would have come across a channel like this where they were just sharing information for free. So go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you are not yet subscribed, share the video with your friends. Let's get into today's topic. Okay, this is the last video that I'll make today about these two tools. I've already made videos which I've linked in the description box below, and if you want to download these indicators, the links are in the description box below. So you can see here I am in a GBP USD trade and it's a sniper entry. I promise you, when you begin to understand how to use round levels, those key levels, those psychological levels, the round figures, trust me, your trading will improve. It will take a different direction. So did I know that GBP USD will suddenly turn at this level? The indicator didn't say it, but it showed me, it helped me to visualize it. It helped me to see that price has previously danced on this level. So now I'll be waiting for my indicators. For some, well, they want an engulfing candles. For some, they are looking for a pennant. Some are looking for a different pattern. But basically, it gives you an idea of the levels that you need to be looking at. Again, watch the video, the link in the description box below, just to get an idea of how to set this up. And yeah, I hope you enjoy using these indicators, these tools, as part of your overall trading strategy. As part of your overall trading strategy, you can actually build a strategy around them. And don't be fooled by anybody. These things are for free. These indicators are free indicators. So don't let somebody sell them to you out there. Okay, so like this video, give it a thumbs up so that we help other traders to just help promote this video so that other traders can see it. And if you have questions, if you have a different way that you trade round figures, certainly leave your thoughts, your comments in the comment section below. Again, like this video, let's watch the video.